Hello everyone, this is Singh 𝐒𝐲𝐬 and I am back with another video today in which we will not be talking about system design and we will be talking about something new, AWS Community Builder program. So I'm part of the program and I received some cool swags today. Okay, so I thought that let's share the news with you and talk about this program, and we will also be unboxing this box, that what's inside this box, and then get to know what all benefits you get, how can you get into this program, so all those things. So before we get started, okay, before we get started and open this box, the first thing we are going to do is to tell you let me put this knife away to tell you what this program is. Okay, and I have kept my notes in the laptop so that I have like all the questions answered which are generally asked in different forums. So the first thing is what this program is about. What is AWS Community Builder? So as the name suggests, it's a AWS community, and builder as in you are building that community. So you are responsible to build that community. Okay. Now, if I talk about a little bit more, the role, like what you are actually doing is you are kind of advocate of AWS. Okay, you are sharing your knowledge about AWS, how these different services are useful, how different architectures are built on AWS, all those things. Okay, and this is one of the criteria to get into the program. Okay, so this is all about AWS Community Builder. Like what this program is, we will definitely talk about what are the benefits and how can you get in. Okay, what are the different criteria you should meet. But before that we have to open this cool box which we have received. So let me quickly open this box. And actually I have seen a lot of LinkedIn posts, so I kind of already know what's inside this box. But this is the first time. Okay, this is the first time, this is the first year I have got into this program, and I'm really excited to unbox the contents. So first we have some box. Oh great, nice. So let's put this box away. So it's AWS Community Builder, this nice bag you can say. And we have cool cap. So this is AWS Community Builder cap. Let me quickly wear it. Okay, so how do I look? Let's keep the specs on. So this is AWS Community Builder cap. What's next? We have some bottle. So we have to keep hydrated if you are sharing the knowledge, right? So you have to keep hydrated if you are sharing the knowledge with the community. And we have some other stuff as well. Let's quickly check it out. Okay, yeah, this is all. Let's put this away as well. The next thing is some, yeah, this is the what is this? Sticky note. This is the sticky note. AWS Community Builder sticky note, AWS Community Builder. And this is the straw. I think this is for this bottle. This is the cool sticker. This is my first year. So as I said, right, this is the first time I got into the program. So this is the sticker. Then again, this is the sticker made of cloth. Oh, okay, nice. You have badge as well. So you have AWS Community Builder badge. So if I quickly show you, this is the badge. Okay, let's show in this camera as well. Is it clear enough? Yeah, it's clear. Okay, we have another stickers. This is AWS Community Builder. This again is AWS Community Builder. So this, what next? This is the note. Dear AWS Community Builder, congratulations on making into our program. Thank you so much. We are excited to have you with us and hope your first year in community is full of opportunities to learn, collaborate, create, and grow with other AWS builders. And that's what I'm hoping exactly. Please accept this welcome kit. I have accepted it gladly, and thanks for this kit. Small token of our thanks to all you have done to help other AWS builders. That include iron on patch can be put on whatever you like build on. Okay, where is our iron patch? So we will put it somewhere. Maybe I will paste some of these stickers on my laptop. And we have a cool diary, AWS Community Builder. And you also have a pen. So cool swags for a first year. This is the first time I have got into this program. So you can always take notes if you are participating in any conferences or anything. Okay, so this is what we have, and this is nice. How does it work actually? So this is the, I can't get it open. We will try it out after the video. So this is the bottle. You have to get hydrated to share the contents and all. Great. So let's get started on the other things. Not started, we are already continuing. So what's the next point? So we know that you get swags if you are part of the program. Okay, let's keep the cap on and then continue our discussion. Next, what's next? What do you get? Okay, so this is the first thing you get if you are part of this program. This is the first thing you get. You get the swags, and apart from these swags, as you well, like you are, as you are sharing the knowledge with AWS, there are continuous swag points which are given, so you can continue using those points to buy other stuff as well. As in buy, you can use those points on this AWS swag store to get more stuff. There are a lot of cool stuff: t-shirts, hoodies, bags, lot of cool things which you can get if you continue sharing knowledge on the any of the public platform you can think of. Either you write blog, either you share videos, like I'm creating this video right now. Okay, so this is first thing. Another thing is community. You get to part of amazing community. So there is a dedicated Slack channel you get to be part of, where there is continuous knowledge sharing. Okay, and there are like anything which comes up, let's say any new AWS service is launched in a very like in existing service, some kind of new features are launched, so you get to know beforehand. Okay, these things are shared before and definitely under NDA agreement, so you can't tell the public about it, but you get to try on those things firsthand. Okay, so that's the great benefit you get, and you get to learn from this community. Since you directly interact with these different communities, you get to learn with this community. Discounts. Third point is discounts on AWS events such as reInvent. Okay, so you get discounts if you are planning to go to these events, then you get discount. AWS reInvent is one of them. You also get early access, which we already talked about, of AWS services. You also get AWS credit of $500. Okay, so if you are trying out stuff on AWS cloud, if you have created your AWS account, so you get the voucher to get 500 credits, and you can use that to try out any features you like. Another thing is vouchers for AWS certification. So if you are doing certifications, you will get vouchers for it. Okay, which can be reimbursed. Free access to QA Academy. So QA Academy is a platform where you can gather knowledge about all the services, how you can prepare for different certifications. So it's a great platform to learn, and you get free access for that platform. Okay, so these are all the benefits you get, and the most two cool benefits which I like the most is, one is the swags you get. Another thing is you get to part of the community. Okay, so you keep on sharing the knowledge with them, then you also gather the knowledge from the community. So that's a great benefit to have. How do you get in? Now we know that there are a lot of benefits. So how do you actually get in? How do you actually get into this program? So there is a yearly renewal form, or like a yearly you can get in form which you have to fill in. It is annual membership. Okay, so like let's say this is the first time I have gotten into this program. So if I want to be continuing in this program next year, I have to fill up a renewal form in which I will share some of my contributions in this year, and then I can talk about different things. Okay, so then it's decided if you are part of the community for second year, and then so on, third year, fourth year. So like this year I got the first. Next year if I am again accepted, then I will get two. Okay, this written two. Great. So I will share the link with you in the video description. You can join the wait list. So as soon as the forms are out, you can fill in, and then you will have chance to get into this program. Okay, so now we know what are benefits, or what are the benefits, how do you get into this program, and then the next thing is, who is it for? Okay, so if you are thinking that is this program really for me? Okay, do I have to be part of this community? Do I consider becoming part of the community? So what are the things? Okay, so first thing is, this program is based on very simple philosophy, knowledge sharing. Okay, if you are knowledge sharing, if you are writing blogs, okay, I mostly create blogs. Okay, I'm also author of a book, System Design on AWS. Okay, did I share that book with you already? Give me a moment, let me grab that book. Okay, give me a moment. So here is the book, System Design on AWS. So this is one of the thing I contributed heavily into the on AWS knowledge sharing, System Design on AWS. If you haven't checked out this book already, consider checking it out. It's available on O'Reilly platform. It's available on Amazon. So you can buy this book and learn a lot of things. We are definitely not focusing on the book today, but yeah. So this is the thing. So first thing is you do knowledge sharing, and then you can do it via any other means, books, it's a big step, but before that you can create videos, like I regularly create videos on YouTube. Then you can write blogs, you can participate in conferences, okay, you can participate in live events and then present your sessions. You can mentor people via communities and gatherings. Okay, so these are all the things which you can do to, I mean, basically, if you're interested in those things, these are the things which you fill in the form. Okay, like the questions which are asked heavily in the form is like one of the question is that what did you contribute. Okay, so you basically share your like LinkedIn or like your blog sites or YouTube or your books, all those things you share that this is how I am contributing. And then another thing which you share is that what so one of the question was that how you used AWS last year to build some cool products. So I use heavily AWS heavily as part of my previous company as well. Okay, so it could be for your personal project or as part of your organization. So however you are using it. So I think I I hope I answered all the questions, and I'm really excited about all the swags I received. So we will meet again in the new system design videos. This was one of the videos, okay, to get to know about the program and share the knowledge with you as well, that how you can get into the program. I will continue making videos on system design heavily, okay, and definitely about AWS, but system design heavily. We will meet again. Till then, stay safe.